because it's almost Hmong New Year.
If you like our Hmong apron, check the link below.
Let's get started. First, you need to wash and soak your sweet rice overnight. Next, you will steam it in a double boiler. Make sure you have an adult help you, and remember to save some of this water so you can sprinkle it with the rice while it steams. When it starts to steam, sprinkle some of the water that you saved earlier. Stir the rice in the pot and let it sit for a few more minutes. Back in the day, our grandparents used to make rice cakes by hand. Rice cakes in Hmong is Ncuav. Next, you will need to hard-boil 1 egg. We did this earlier. The yolk is needed to prevent the rice from sticking to your hands in the bowl of the mochi maker. Let's get the rice in the mochi maker. Now we pound the rice. When your rice starts to bounce around in a ball. I have my mom here so she can help me with the Ncuav to make it into mini ones. Don't forget to put yolk on your platter. The easiest way to make Ncuav is take a chunk of your rice, put it into a bag, and lay it flat and let it do its thing. This was 5 cups of rice and we were able to get 11 rice cakes. Look how nicely they formed into little cakes. You can serve them warm with syrup, or the way we like it is to let them cool in the fridge overnight so they are hard. Then you fry them with a little salt and oil. To save them for later, just close the bag up and leave them in the fridge. They last for about 5 days.
Kaka.
Let's close them up. Wow, look how golden and brown they look. They look so delicious. Come on along with us. Let's taste them. Whoa. I'm gonna dip it in the syrup. It's really crispy on the outside and it's gooey on the inside.
I like it when it's crunchy, but I don't like the syrup when it's crunchy.
What? Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And give it a huge thumbs up.
And remember, be kind to others.
And make a new friend.
Bye-bye.
Happy New Year.
No one can do it like you.